welcome back to another video. I know you guys are super used to seeing me do full faces, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this dewy light makeup look, no foundation. It's super perfect for the summer. It's starting to get a little bit warmer outside, starting to do things like go to the beach and like just be outside and doing outside activities. So I'm going to be showing you guys a light little dewy makeup routine. Without further ado, me yapping, let's just get into this. So our first step is going to be skin prep. I always say how important skin prep is. Really important to know how to prep your skin. My skin personally is very dry. I get dryness around my nose area, on my eyes. My face is just very dry, so I like to use a heavy moisturizing cream. I already moisturized those, so there's no need for that. One of my favorite products to use for skin prep when I'm doing a lighter makeup look is the Say Star Glow Super Glowy Gel. I'm literally already running out of this again. This is my second one, literally in the past like 6 months. It does last a while. I use it all the time and it gives you the nicest like glow and shine. I love a mist for skin prep, especially for natural looks. The Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray and then the Kosas Plump and Juicy Vegan Collagen Spray On Serum. They're both very great options for a mist. I like to go ahead and spray that. It just refreshes your skin, brings a little bit more life to it. And then I like to use a primer. I'm going to use the Glow and Sculpt Face Primer from Refi and just put that on. It's very hydrating. You could use a matte primer if you do have more oily skin. For my eyebrows, I don't do much for my eyebrows. I actually already gelled them down because I literally just gelled them down. I thinned out my eyebrows a few days ago and I really don't like it. So no fluffy brows for a while until my eyebrows grow back. But my eyebrows grow back pretty quickly, so my eyebrows will probably be back by like next week. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. The applicator is amazing. I just overall love this product. If you guys are looking for a brow gel, I definitely recommend this one. And then for brow pencil, I use a Refi brow pencil and I use it in light. I really like it because it's very just thin and easy to work with, and I kind of fill in the bottom right here. So now for base, I love the Say Slip Tint. This is a 35 SPF tinted moisturizer, and then this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. These are both amazing options. I personally would probably recommend this one a little bit more if you're going to be in the sun. If you want lighter coverage and more dewy, it is just a tinted moisturizer. This one has a bit more coverage. It'll even out your skin tone a little bit more. So these are great options. Today I'm going to use the Say one. I usually don't use tinted moisturizers. This is one of the first tinted moisturizers I've ever... But I really like it. I've never been much of a tinted moisturizer girl, but in the summertime or like if I'm going to the gym or something, I just want something light on my skin. It works very well. I'm going to use the Say Buffing Brush to buff this out. And you guys, should I do one side at a time so you guys can kind of see? So if you take a close look, you can definitely still see my redness. You could see a little bit, but you can tell the difference. It just gives you a nice glow and it evens out your skin very nicely. So if you're looking for coverage, this is probably not what you want, but this is like a more natural look. So this is the finished skin. This is what it looks like. I then like to add just a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes just to kind of fix the darkness underneath my eyes, and then also around my mouth area, just because I like to outline my lips and I like to have some type of product there. So I'm going to be using the Forever Skin Glow Dior concealer. I love this concealer for natural days. Honestly, the shade came off, but I'm pretty sure it's in the second lightest shade, not like the super white one, but I like to just add a little bit and it literally looks like your skin but better. Absolutely love this concealer. But boom, looks still super natural. It looks like your skin but better. Love that. The first one I like is the Dewy Bronze in Sand by Say. I like to use this one when I'm doing my natural looks. Also, the Say Sun Melt Balm is great. I like to use this a little bit more when I'm doing more full coverage looks because it's a bit easier to build up, but it's also very great if you just add a little bit. It gives you the same glow from within, dewy, bronzy look. So definitely love those. I've also recently just tried the Sudden Heat Creamy Bronzer Stick from Morphe, and I've been obsessed with this one as well. This one I'll use for when I'm doing full coverage looks and natural looks, but I would have to say that Say Dewy Bronze is always going to be my first choice because it is just super dewy, and like there's no other creamy bronzer that I've found on the market that is this exact. Like, you just have to try it for yourself. This formula is honestly amazing and I love it. So definitely Say is the perfect brand for if you are looking for a more natural makeup products and like very clean girl makeup, I guess you can say. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Patrick Ta brush, dual-sided brush, to blend this out. Like, you guys can see how natural and glowy that looks. It looks perfection. Now for blushes, I also have a few that I can recommend you guys. You guys already know the Say Dewy blushes. I am obsessed with these. These are my favorite. I only have these 2 shades, but honestly I love these 2 shades. This for when I want a more baby doll blush. This for when I want a more peachy blush. Another new thing that I've been trying out are these Morphe cheek thrills. I love these. You can definitely use them for more full coverage looks or more natural looks, but it comes with 3. It's a trio. They're the ones I've been using the most, but as you guys can see, they're trios. This is a like cream, and then this is like a, it's also a cream, but it's more of a dewy, natural, shimmery cream. And then these are the powders. The middle one, it's like has like some shimmer to it, so that just makes it look very nice and dewy. And I like to add that on my face. Add this on there. This is the Morphe cream and liquid contour, but we don't have to use our brushes for what they say they're for. Blush is super beautiful. It's like very dewy, very natural. The cream definitely has a little bit more coverage if that's what you're looking for. Me personally, I think this is perfect and it gives you the nicest glow. You could always go in with a liquid highlighter. My favorite ones are the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter, and this one is an Enlighten, and then the Merit Day Glow highlighting balm in Kava. These are both very like white highlighters, as you guys can see. That's just what I feel like is suiting for my skin tone. I'm gonna use the Merit Beauty little balm, and I'm just going to melt it on my 2 fingers and apply that to the high point of where my blush is. So now for powder, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Easy Bake, but I'm not going to be baking. I'm just going to put powder on my face with a brush. I'm going to use this brush for underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to use the this is the Morphe X Ariel little brush. Does it have a name? The name came off, but it's just a little like small brush. And then this is the Makeup by Mario F2 brush, and I like to use this side right here for powdering my whole face. And I'm just going to lightly tap underneath my eyes, and I'm just kind of getting what's on the cap, so we're not like putting too much, so it just doesn't like take away all of our dewiness, if you know what I mean. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of powder. All over my face. I'm gonna follow this up with just a little bit of that powder. That was a lot. So I look a little just more like sun-kissed, some might say. Maybe a little sunburn. I think I put a little bit too much, but it's okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use either the same setting sprays. I've been really liking the Air Setting and Smoothing Mist by Kosas. This has been my favorite setting mist recently. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on. I'm very generous with it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fan my face so it's dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add a lip liner because I had a gloss on before, and I'm gonna use the Wherever Walnut lip liner, Makeup Forever. I love all of these products. They 10 out of 10 recommend. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me. I actually asked you guys on Instagram. If you guys don't already follow my Instagram and my TikTok, you guys definitely should, because I'm very active on there. Also, I made a 3rd account on TikTok because I got my live privileges taken away from both my accounts on TikTok. So I made a 3rd one so I can start going live again, because I really miss going live and actually talking to you guys, because comments sometimes they're just not the same. Like on TikTok, I feel like I have not spoken to you guys in so long, so please go follow my third account. But I did ask you guys on Instagram any videos you guys wanted to see from me. A lot of you guys were asking for day in my lives and vlogs and gym vlogs and things like that, so I definitely get to that. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like my little dewy natural makeup routine. If you guys do end up trying it, let me know how you like it, and comment down below any other videos you guys want to see from me so I can go ahead and do those for you guys. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.